What's up, y'all? I'm here with another update. So check this out. Check out these damn seats. These seats cost me little to nothing. Like, real talk, little to nothing. If I told y'all what I paid for them, y'all be like, hell no, you lying. So we gonna skip past that. The only problem that I had with these seats was that seat had a tear on both sides, up there, and a slit right here. And then the back seat had a tear right there. Not a problem. I met a cat on Instagram, Cool Cars, California. Blessed me again, blessed me. I got blessed again. And he hooked me up with replacing the fabric in both those pieces and in the back seat. So, as you can see, this interior is way better than the original gray. The grayish cream, this terrible color. Way better. The only issue, another issue that I had was that my passenger seat was mechanical, and this one's electric and heated. Both of them are heated. So what I did was I went to the junkyard and I found the car that had also, I think it was a Chrysler 300, that also had electric seats. And so what I did was I took the connector and I ran it to a source, a hot source, a continuing source here, and I added a fuse just to be on the safe side. It does work on a closed circuit, but I added a fuse for the sake of if it wanted to short out or mess something up, I wouldn't have any issues. I wrapped the center console in a black suede that I got from Joann Fabrics from the Low. Again, you can buy the material at Joann Fabrics and they give you a coupon. The coupon can give you up to 40 to 60% off depending on what type of promotions they got going. I got that material. I believe I paid for 2 yards $31. $31 for that versus having somebody else do your shit, you do the math. Again, I'm no professional, but I'm having fun. The seat belts need to be cleaned up a little bit. But other than that, everything else is good. The door panels are coming out. I was originally going to do those door panels with the 6x9s, but my boy, Rick, said he's going to do them, so I'm going to give him mine. And what I'm going to do is these. These are the 2011 to 2014 Dodge Charger door panels, and I'm gonna do them on all 4 doors. I have all of them. I'm gonna switch out the middle material right here, that leather, for the blue that I'm using for my speaker boxes, and I'm gonna add a 6x8 or a 6.5 in these door panels. So it's gonna look like a new car. The only thing that's not gonna change is the dash. I'm gonna leave the dash the same, but I'm just gonna add suede accents. I got a new steering wheel. I got another gauge cluster just to mess with. Overall, again, I cannot complain. All of this stuff cost me little to nothing, but I got a million kids, so updates will come as they will. You know, I'm not forcing nothing out. I'm not no YouTuber like that. So, you know, quick update. I'm enjoying this. I'm having fun. I know for sure that everything that is gray in this car, or light gray or cream, whatever the hell it is gonna be this. Yes, because this looks terrible. I don't know why Dodge chose this. This terrible. And what I used for this to get it to stick so well was the adhesive spray Super 90. The 77 was trash, and the Gorilla Glue dry fast, but it doesn't stick well. So I recommend the 90. 90 is the shit. Only thing I have to do now to all of these seats is clean them, and I'm good to go. Everything else, like I said, it'll come, and I'm not forcing nothing out. I got a lot of stuff that I have laying around the house that I haven't thought about installing, but I might get around to it since we don't have nowhere to go. I have the seat belts, great seat belts for the driver's side as well. Yeah, so by the summer, everything in the interior side, on the interior side, should be done. Exterior, probably not, but the car is gonna be black for sure. Thank you for watching. Again, I enjoy y'all feedback. My Instagram is, I'll post it in the description. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Stay safe.